RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show landlords how to remodel a room and turn one room into two. Through remodeling and partitioning, landlords can increase rental income. We're going to turn this 17 square meters space into two small rooms. First, before construction, double-check the size, location, and reserved space of furniture. Mark them clearly on the floor plan. If these preparations aren't done beforehand, construction error may arise. For example, the partition is done, but then we realize that there's no space for passage. After the desk and chair are placed against the wall, there's no passage in between. We'll have to knock down the whole wall and redo. When arranging a space, pay attention to the distance and convenience for people to walk around. For example, you will need 40 to 60 centimeters to sit, as the passage preserves 60 to 90 centimeters for people to walk. For another example, there's some miscommunication with a worker. It's a small room, but the size of closet is made too big. They forgot to reserve space for the bed. We had to spend extra money to shrink the closet so that there's space for the bed. After confirming the space and floor plan, we can start constructing. First, knock down the window and the wall below it. We'll make this window into a passage. This space will be partitioned into two bathrooms and balconies. This is the bathroom and balcony of the left side room. This is the bathroom and balcony of the right side room. This is the space of the left side room number 1. This is the space of the right side room number 2. There are some usable spaces above the doors of both rooms. Cabinets are installed respectively. Last, the single room space is remodeled into two small rooms. This is room number 1 on the left. You'll see the bed when entering. Closet and desk beside the bed. A cabinet above the door. Bathroom and laundry room in the back. This is room number 2 on the right. You'll see the closet and desk on the left. Bed on the other side. A cabinet above the door. This is the bathroom. Laundry room in the back. One room is remodeled into two. Tips. Before knocking down walls, it's suggested to consult a structural technician. Make sure the main structure of the house won't be damaged, then start the construction. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.